Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to create an Azure Virtual Machine using Terraform, all orchestrated through a GitHub Actions Pipeline. We'll cover everything from setting up credentials to writing the pipeline code. Before we start, make sure you have the following prerequisites: an Azure account, GitHub account, Terraform installed locally, Azure CLI installed locally. First, we need to create an Azure Service Principal to manage resources. Open your Azure CLI and run the following command. This command will generate a JSON object with app ID, password, tenant, and subscription ID. Copy these values. We'll need them to configure GitHub secrets. Next, we need to store these credentials securely in GitHub. Go to your repository, click on Settings, then Secrets and Variables, and Actions. Add a new repository secret named Azure_credentials with the following JSON value. Now, let's write our Terraform configuration to define the Azure VM. Create a new directory in your repository and add a main TF file with the following content. Now, let's create a GitHub Actions workflow to automate the deployment. Create a file named deploy.yml in the GitHub/workflows directory with the following content. Azure login configure with Azure_credentials. This workflow will trigger on every push to the main branch. Logging into Azure, initializing Terraform, and applying the configuration to create the VM. Let's make a sample commit to trigger the GitHub Actions workflow. Open the README file in your repository, make a small change, and commit it. Save the changes and push. Once you push the changes, navigate to the GitHub Actions tab in your repository. You'll see the workflow running. The pipeline will perform the following steps. Check out the repository. Set up Terraform. Log in to Azure. Initialize Terraform. Apply the Terraform configuration to create the VM.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.